Be the change for Sri Lanka's forgotten animals. Every day, thousands of stray dogs and cats in Sri Lanka face hunger, disease, and danger. But with your help, we can change their future and bring hope where there was none. What we do: feed and care. Each week, our teams go out to feed and check on hundreds of stray animals, making sure they get the care they need. Vaccinate and sterilize. Together with PetVet, we run life-saving vaccination and sterilization campaigns, helping stop disease and overpopulation one animal at a time. Animal education in schools. In rural areas like Ratnapura and Alawathura, we visit schools to teach kids how to care for animals with fun lessons, coloring activities, and prizes. And we even donate musical instruments to help inspire the artists of tomorrow. Empower through design. We're launching a special clothing line with bold, meaningful designs, and every purchase helps fund our rescue and education work. Why your help matters. For just $35, you can vaccinate and sterilize one stray, giving them a second chance at life and preventing countless more from being born into suffering. When you support MH Foundation, you create a ripple of kindness that reaches beyond animals, touching schools, families, and entire communities. Join us. Share our story. Visit mh-foundation.com. Together, we can build a kinder world, one animal at a time.